at a certain point. I'm pretty sure a boulder like that underground would be really hard to drill through. And also, that could explain the metal fragments here if there was some debris thrown down a mine shaft. So, is it mining equipment? I think we're going to only be able to enhance that one. So let's try that one and maybe brighten it. That's about all we can do with that one. Photo. It's interesting though, but it's like Oak Island Mystery. I don't know if you ever watched that show. It's very similar, and